Welcome to Redline Review. With the launch of the 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome, the concept of leading a mobile lifestyle is taken to a whole new level. Because it combines the strength and sophistication of a high-performance vehicle with the distinctive grace that is synonymous with Aston Martin, it is a really remarkable vehicle. It's more than just a camper. It's a mobile lifestyle that also happens to be incredibly opulent. It is impossible to mistake the exterior design for anything other than an Aston Martin. Some of its features include an aggressive front grille, advanced LED lighting, and aerodynamic and streamlined lines. The body conveys a sense of strength, grace, and grandeur when doing this. Built from lightweight composite materials, it has a gloss similar to that of a mirror after polishing. The car is powered by a hybrid V8 engine that can provide high-performance levels. This specific engine can provide power and torque that are unparalleled in the industry. The Aston Martin Motorhome provides a strong and remarkably smooth driving experience when paired with an outstanding suspension system and all-wheel drive. This is something that must be taken into account whether you are traveling on freeways or winding roads. The interior of the RV is as roomy and sophisticated as that of a luxury apartment. A retractable entertainment system, leather-upholstered lounge chairs, ambient lighting, and panoramic windows that let in natural light and offer stunning views are all features of the living room. The bedroom is a secluded resting place with a queen-size bed, with Aston Martin stitched linens, soft-touch panels, and climate control to provide the maximum amount of rest and relaxation. Other features include a retractable entertainment system, bathroom, designed with contemporary aesthetics and convenience in mind. A full-size bathroom features a rainfall shower, marble sink, smart toilet, and high-end fixtures, providing a space that is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also aesthetically pleasing. The 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome is an excellent option for any journey, whether it's a vacation across continents or a trip out of town, because it offers the best possible balance of luxurious touring capabilities and home-level comfort. The target market for this product is people who are prepared to settle for nothing less than the remarkable.